Okay, so a super quick thought about the A7V. Now, I'm not completely shitting on the camera because I have made some Instagram videos and some other videos, and it may sound like I'm shitting on the camera. It's just the main point I'm trying to get across, and you guys can agree with me or not. I'm comparing it to the A7 IV. Now, this has been my shooting camera for the past 5 years. My problem with the A7 V is that, is it future-proof for another 5 years? That's how I'm looking at it, because I don't want to buy a camera every several years or every couple of years to keep up with the times. I want to be able to purchase an item, a very expensive item, and be future-proof. So that way, that's why I keep saying, like, I wish there was 6K. I wish there was 30 frames per second for photography, for electronic and mechanical. I'm not gonna touch on OpenGate because honestly, I feel like OpenGate's just a bullshit excuse for not buying this camera. But realistically, other camera companies are releasing it. So compared to other cameras, not just the A7 IV, but the Canons, the Lumix, the Nikons, all those other cameras that are coming out, those seem more future-proof than the A7 V to me. Other than that, I love all the other features. I love that there's no crop at 4K 60. I love the pre-capture, which seems really cool. I love the 30 frames per second electronic shutter. I love the new stack sensor. It honestly looks awesome. I'm very curious to find out what the photo quality looks like compared to A7 IV, if there's a major difference or not. And I love the new AI that's built into the camera. All those things are fantastic. I'm not downplaying it. I'm worried about the long term. Is this camera going to keep up down the line with the competition? Again, this camera I've been using now for the past 5 years. Is the A7 V future-proof or not? That is the main question. To me, right now, it's not. Will there be updates and firmware updates that solidify its being future-proof? Sure, but I don't think you can update a camera from 4K to 6K, 4K to 8K. The video quality is still fantastic. I love this video quality. I use it every single day. But are you going to keep up with the competition? That's the main question. It's your boy Simon. Hit that subscribe button. I'm going to try to do this a lot more often for YouTube. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.